Hello, Ryancolcord, realtor here with Marples and Associates, showing agents for Marples Property Management. I'm here at 399 West Angela Street, or Rose. It's in between West Angela and Rose. Home number, apartment number 5, 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath. Great location, close to downtown Pleasanton. Convenient, close to everything. Nice little community here. As you walk in, you get the family living area. And as you come around, a little bar counter here. Some nice light gray cabinets. You got a little bit of a privacy yard back here, your own space. Of course, got some work and cleanup in progress. This one you get two assigned parking spots and then plenty of street parking. You're right across the street from the county, Alameda County Fair, which is really nice. You got your half bath here, washer, dryer. You got some cabinets here for some space, a little extra storage, deep kind of storage back in there. Again, your family. And right across the way there, that's the Alameda County Fair. And as you come up the stairs, you got a full bath and 2 bedrooms. Shower over the tub. And you got some more linen storage there. You got the room in the kind of the rear side, a little bit smaller. Good sized room, but just smaller than the other room. Kind of see your backyard area. And then this room's a little bit bigger. Some nice deep closet space. Back here, which we'll walk into. So you kind of got like the his, her, or the section. Kind of get a better view right there. And then again, right there, that is the Alameda County Fairground. And there you go, 399 West Angela Street. Contact me to schedule a showing.